How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's video, we'll be going over a quick breakdown of removing and replacing the Panhard Bar Brace for all 2005 to 14 S197 Mustangs. From the factory, Ford equipped the S197 Mustang chassis with a flimsy, thin-gauge Panhard Bar Brace. Ultimately, this causes unwanted deflection and side-to-side movement in the rear end of the vehicle. The addition of an aftermarket tubular or boxed brace will reinforce this critical mount on your chassis. As any of you know, having this kind of added rigidity will make your Mustang outperform the competition on and off the track. Some of the tools you will need will be a lift or a jack and jack stands, a complete socket set, and a 3/8 or 1/2 inch impact. To begin installation, place the car on a lift or jack and jack stands and get it as high as possible. It is best to remove the Panhard bar to gain proper access to the brace. Check out the link in the description below to show you how to complete this task. Once you have the Panhard bar out of the way, moving to the passenger side, remove the 18mm nut and then slide out the bolt. Remove both of the 15mm bolts on the driver's side of the brace. And then you can remove the factory brace from the vehicle. Reverse the removal procedure with the new Panhard brace. Starting on the reassembly, put a small dab of blue thread lock on each one of the bolts. Reinstall the bolt and the 18mm nut on the passenger side. And then follow up on the driver's side with the two 15mm bolts. Tighten the 18mm nut to 90 pound-feet and both of the 15mm bolts to 46 pound-feet. Reinstall your Panhard bar and torque to specifications. Lower back down the car and check the vehicle for any clearance issues, and you are all done. Alright everybody, we hope this video has helped you have a better understanding of how to replace your Panhard brace for your S197 Mustang. Overall, this one should roughly take you about an hour to complete from start to finish. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and turn on notifications to keep you up to date with any new tech info we release. As always, you know what to do. Keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.